Okay, frog just ate a firefly. And it is, can't see the frog, but watch. Kind of see him. That's inside the frog. It's like in his belly. Did he eat the other one?
Yeah. He ate both of them. He ate 2 fireflies.
It's inside the frog. That's crazy.
That's crazy because one was actually climbing up the stick and it came on his like butt, and then it was actually like by him, and then he like ate it.
Oh.
That was the other one.
Alright, come on, froggy. I want to see the other one light up.
Want to see both of them at the same time?
Here, look out.
I want to go catch a cricket.
Alright. Yeah, froggy. Come on, light up. Come on, one more light for the road. Come on, stupid frog. I want to see one more.
That's actually really cool because I actually saw him swallow it.
Here, flick the cage.
Huh?
Flick the cage. Not real
Flick?
hard though. Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Again?
One more time. Oh, I guess.
Watch.
I guess the lightning bug is history. Alright, I think he's dead.